Oh yeah. Look at how sweet this thing is, man. There's no rust. Look at that. Look at, there's no rust. That's just a little bit of surface rust. But all the original bolts are all intact. Surface rust only. You know. It's got the original little splash guards on it. Original decals. And then this stripping right here is really hard to find, if not impossible. Usually when they repaint these cars, they rip that off and never replace it. So, okie doke. Alright, this is a 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88. It's got the 455 Oldsmobile Rocket V8 engine. We're going to go ahead and do a cold start video today. We should get a little bit of white smoke out of the ass end of the car. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, she's running pretty good today. I got it started actually, so that's pretty good. This thing doesn't start that good. I think it's got a blown head gasket. It's starting to blow a lot of white smoke. But yeah, she's tough, you know. It's old GM, Oldsmobile power. But yeah, we got big long hood. Check out my custom roof I put on this car. This is PVC painter's canvas is what I've done here. This was $18 down at Home Supply. Yeah, it's pretty good. Good stuff. So, yeah, buddy. Don't tell Al Gore, look at all the smoke, eh? Oh yeah, look at that, look at all the smoke. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at it all coming out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this car off.
Jesus Christ.
She's tough.
You just killed 5 trees.
No, I didn't kill any trees, we're in the fucking desert.
Okay, you killed 5 cactus.
Look at, see, right now everything in the engine here is perfectly normal.
It's pristine, it's brand new.
At the moment it runs and drives like a freaking perfect,
it just needs
like a freaking perfect, man. But I think it's got a bad head gasket. But I'm really not looking forward to ripping through all this spaghetti and getting down to the heads and replacing the gasket. So
it's gonna take you a day.
yeah, it probably would just take a day. But
waste a whole day though.
Yeah, I don't know. It does have bad fuel in the gas tank, and the carburetor's not right. You know, it's been sitting for 20 years. So the fact that it even starts up and runs is absolutely amazing. But we'll get more on this car in a little bit. Yeah, thanks for watching.